yr hyn a'r enni.
I'm Phil Griffiths, Chair of Yes Cymru, and this song for me it means so much more than just a musical tour of some of Wales's most beautiful landmarks. Why? Well, because it contains within its lyrics the message that we are truly one nation. The sentiment that Cymru belongs to us all resonates throughout the song, and equally that we all belong to Cymru. But I think it goes to the heart of what Yes Cymru is all about too. A belief in Cymru, a place where unity and community are celebrated, where every voice contributes to the chorus that sings the story of Wales. And yes, as Wales strides towards an independent future, it's the positivity, passion and pride of Wales's people that will fuel our journey. Every valley, every village, every town and every vibrant city pulsing with the promise of a future crafted by the hands of those who cherish it. It'll be a future where every citizen has a voice, and together we'll weave a tapestry of identity that is as diverse as it is beautiful. Mae'r wlad hon yn eiddo I ti a mi. This land belongs to you and me. So, next time someone asks, who are Yes Cymru? You'll know the answer. You and me. We are Yes Cymru.
This land belongs to you.